Hi, hello, vanakkam and welcome to the First Step Academy Learn and Grow Educational Medium. In this video, we are going to find solution for the problems asked under the topic called matrix in the CA Foundation examination held during December 2020. It's a tentative questions based on memory we recalled and we are presenting here. The first question, transpose of a row matrix is. So given options, option A zero matrix, option B column matrix, option C row matrix, option D diagonal matrix. If you know the properties of matrix, it's much easy. You can directly answer for this one, right? So if you are taking A is a matrix called row matrix, we know that row matrix in the sense it consists of only one row. That is, if I'm taking 1 0 0, so if I'm taking this as a row matrix, and the transpose of A that we are representing as A power T will become as 1 0 0, means rows will become columns. When we are taking transpose, rows will become column will become rows, right? That's what general thing. So A is the matrix in the sense when we transpose A, then row will become column, hence the matrix will become column matrix. Simple, it's a direct question. Transpose of a row matrix is option B, column matrix. If you know all the property, then you can answer directly. Hope you understand. Fine, good. We'll go to the next question. Interesting one. So if A cube is equal to 0 minus I 0 and A power 4 is equal to 0 1 1 0, where I square is equal to minus 1, then A square is equal to what? So they have given A cube value and A power 4 value, and I square is equal to minus 1. Then they are asking us to find out A squared. Given options, option A minus I 0 0 minus I, option B minus 1 0 0 minus 1, option C 0 minus 1 minus I 0, option D 0 I 0. Right. Now we have to find A squared. So directly we could not directly find A squared now. So first we are going to find what is the value of A. Then when we square the A value, then we'll get A squared, right? Fine. To find out the A value, what I'm going to do in the sense, I'm going to divide A power 4 by A power 3. So A power 4 divided by A power 3. Now what we'll get? A power 4 divided by A power 3, which is equal to, what is A power 4? 0 1 1 0 divided by 0 minus I 0. Am I right? Fine. So now look at the left hand side. So A power 4 divided by A power 3, further A power 4 into A power minus 3. So when this A power 3 will come to the numerator, it will become A power minus 3. Then we can apply that indices law, that A power m into A power n is equal to A power m plus n. So according to that, if you are applying here, so A power 4 into A power minus 3, so A power 4 minus 3 will come. So what will get? A power 1 will get. Further, A power 1 can be written as A. That's what we have done. We are doing A power 4 divided by A power 3. We are dividing A power 4 by A power 3 to find out A. Got it? Fine. So A power 4 is 0 1 1 0 divided by A power 3 is 0 minus I 0. Now when this value come to the numerator, what you will get? 0 1 1 0 into 0 minus I 0 inverse. It means when it in denominator, if there is no power, it means that there is a power called 1, the 2 plus 1. So when the denominator value will come to the numerator, in the sense it will become minus, means the sign will change. So positive means negative, negative means positive. Here positive 1 is there. When it come to the numerator, it will become negative 1, that we are calling as inverse, right? So when in matrix, inverse in the sense almost it's like transpose. So this matrix will transpose, means rows will become column will become row. Hence what we are going to do in the sense, this matrix 0 1 1 0, and this matrix I'm transpose it and then I'm going to write. So I'm changing rows to column, column to row to make this negative to positive, right? So 0 minus I, 0 minus I, next minus I and 0. This is the 1, right? Understand? Fine. Now directly you can multiply to find out A. So what is the A value? So 0 into 0. First what we have to do? First we have to take this row and we have to multiply with this column, and then next we have to take this same row and multiply with the second column. So first one, 0 into 0, we have to take 0. 1 into minus I is minus I, right? 1 into minus I is minus I. Actually here we have to do the addition, but since minus symbol is here, so we added minus. So 0 minus I. Then next one, 0 into minus I is 0. Then 1 into 0 is plus 0. Next 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into minus I is 0. Next 1 into minus I is minus I. 0 into 0 is 0 plus 0. So what the value we got? Add it. 0 minus I is minus I. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 minus I. This is we are calling as value of A. But what exactly we need to find? We need to find value of A squared. So we have to square this value. So A squared is equal to A into A, which is equal to, what is A value? Minus I, 0, 0 minus I into minus I, 0, 0 minus I. Now multiply these two and then we'll get the value, right? Fine. So when we multiply this, what we'll get? Minus I into minus I. As I said, first we have to take this row and we have to multiply this column. We have to write as a first value. Next, the same row, second column, we have to write this value. Then next row, first column, third value. Next row, second column, final value. That's it. This is the way that we have to do the multiplication. Now we'll do and then we'll get the value. So now minus 1 into minus 1, so plus I squared, plus 0 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into minus 1 is plus 0. Next, 0 into minus 1 is 0, plus minus I into 0 is 0. 0 into 0, 0. Minus I into minus I plus I squared. Got it? Fine. Next, I squared plus 0 is I squared. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus I squared is I squared. And this is we are calling as A squared. This is value of A squared we found. But look at the question. They have given I squared value. I squared is minus 1. Substitute the value of I squared in this matrix. What we found, in this matrix, and we'll get the value. So A squared, what we found is I squared 0, 0, I squared. When you substitute I squared as minus 1, then we'll get minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. This is the value of A squared. So question is, if A cube is equal to 0, minus I 0, and A power 4 is 0, 1, 1, 0, where I squared is equal to minus 1, then value of A squared is option B, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. That's the answer for this particular question. Hope you understand how we solve this problem. Simple mathematics that we have to apply here. Thanks for watching. This is the First Step Academy Learn and Grow Educational Medium. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again.